PHE Minister Renekton Lindo Tongkhar has said multiple check dams must be constructed in many rivers to protect them from flowing to Bangladesh. The second India-Australia virtual summit was held yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Australian counterpart Scott Morrison took stock of the progress made on various initiatives under the Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. UGC Chairman M. Jagadish Kumar has said that central universities will have to use common university entrance test scores to admit students to undergraduate programs this year. Laghu Udyog Bharati, All India organization which is primarily aimed at uplifting of micro, small and mid-sized enterprises across the country, formed its Meghalaya unit on 21st of March 2022 at the premises of Shillong Club Residential. Along with the rest of the world, Jowai also celebrated World Water Day today with an aim to advocate for the sustainable management of freshwater resources.